Welcome aboard the all-new 2024 Sea Ray 280 SLX. My name's Frank and Teskey. We're here at Brick MarineMax. Let's do a walkthrough. As you can see here, beautiful sun pad on the transom. You do have a cooler right here in the back for easy access to drinks. We do have a beautiful dune interior. What you'll notice here is a lot of cup holders and a lot of seating. Making our way into the cockpit, J-shaped seating here on the port side, storage underneath all of our seats, access to batteries. Let's check out what's powering this boat. We got a Mark Cruiser 8.2 high output big block V8 with fire suppression system. On the starboard side, you also have large access for cooler and other storage areas. Tower controls. This is an automated tower. Really nice feature here. Captain and co-captain seats can swivel in. When you're underway, comes back across, facing forward. Up at the helm, we have twin Simrad displays. Binnacle switching. It does have the automated trim tab system. I'll have Pete give us a nice shot of the head. I do like the magnet supply there, so it does hold that door open. I'll have Pete go up towards the bow. You'll notice that sea deck does wrap all the way up towards the bow. Really nice feature here on the Barnegat Bay, having a windlass. We still have it wrapped up right now, but you hit the button, anchor deploys. A lot simpler than throwing it overboard. And then we have a wash down here to get all that muck off. So again, my name is Frank and Teskey. We're here at MarineMax in Brick, New Jersey. This was the 280 SLX. Stop by for more info or check us out online.